Today, we're reading Knucklehead Fred by Arias Williams, illustrated by Bolaji Olaloye. There once was a knucklehead boy named Fred, who never listened to a word that his parents said. He just did what he wanted and said what he pleased. He wouldn't even smile when the cameraman said, "Cheese!" He would frown and grimace all to poke fun. He wouldn't walk at the swimming pool. No, he'd always run. He never ate his veggies and rarely took a bath. No, Knucklehead Fred didn't do a thing he was asked. But one day, Fred needed a favor. He needed $1 to buy a pack of Now and Laters. He asked his father. His father said, "Nope." His mother laughed in his face like he had told some sort of joke. Fred got so mad that his blood was boiling. So he took a deep breath to keep his head from exploding. He said,
"Mom, Dad, why do you treat me so mean? I've been a good boy. I haven't done a thing. I only asked you this one little favor. Just $1 for a pack of Now and Laters."
"You've been a good boy,"
they answered in surprise.
"Not by our judgment, not in our eyes. What about at the pool when we begged you not to run? Or when we asked you to eat your veggies? Not a lot, just some. Or in the family photo, we just wanted you to smile. But no, instead, you gave us your most spiteful scowl."
That's not good in our book. Good kids do what they're told. We're your parents. We love you. It's not that we want to control. We only want what is best, to protect you from harm, to make sure you're well nourished and don't have stinky underarms. Fred listened, tears running from his eyes. He said,
"I guess I haven't been good. I just never realized. I promise I'll be better. I'll listen. I swear. I'll eat my veggies. I'll walk everywhere. So can I have $1? Please, please. The line is getting short. The ice cream truck is going to leave."
Mother said,
"Not today, Fred. You have to prove what you say. If I give you money, you'll forget by the end of the day."
Fred stormed off at the tip of a rage. He nearly blew his cool, acting many years below his age. Alone in his room, he was stewing in fury. Fred said,
"It's just $1. I can't believe this is how they do me."
From the doorway, his father poked in his head. "Fred, can you clean your room and make your bed?" As usual, Fred began to ignore. But then he remembered his promise and hopped to his feet. He cleaned his entire room and even changed the sheets. Later that evening, while playing video games with the volume on blast, his mother asked,
"Can you put that on pause and take out the trash?"
"But Mom,"
Fred replied.
"I'm on the last level."
Then he thought of his promise and got up on a double. He emptied the trash, even raked the leaves. His parents were so proud, they couldn't help but be pleased. The very next day when Fred was home and after school work was finished, he heard the ice cream truck ringing and his excitement was replenished. He ran to Mom and Dad and dropped down to his knees. His father pulled out $1 and said, "Spend as you please." Fred was so happy that he jumped for joy. Mom said,
"You always get what you want when you've been a good boy."
The end. Hey everyone, thanks for stopping by. I really hope you enjoyed that story. And if you did, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of these awesome stories. Keep on reading, and I'll see you guys next time